Your cup, Wyatt. Where did you hide it? There it is. You found it. You're so silly. Where's Wyatt's cup? Where did he put it? There it is. You're so funny. Where's Wyatt's cup? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Mommy can still see it. Where did it go? On that side. Ta-da! Now where did it go? Ta-da! Uh-oh. Where is it? I don't know. Ta-da! Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh no, is it stuck? Got it. And the game's over. No, that wasn't an uh-oh. That was on purpose.